Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CISE Topper Classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7 Ratio and Proportion exercise 7.1 question number 1 to 11. So let us start solving this exercise here in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let us solve exercise 7.1 question number first. An alloy consists of 27 1 by 2 kg of copper and 2 3 by 4 kg of tin. Then find the ratio by weight of tin to the alloy. So if we find the weight of alloy here in fraction terms, so weight of alloy will be total of the copper and tin. So that will become here 27 into 2 will be 54. 52 by 55 here. So 55 by 2 kg plus here 2 3 by 4 kg of tin will become 8 in plus 3 will be 11 by 4. So that will be 11 by 4 kg. Adding this, taking LCM here, this will become 4 and 55 into 2 will become 110. So that will become 110 plus 11. So it will become as 121 divided by 4 kg as the weight of alloy. And if we find the ratio of weight of tin to the ratio of alloy, so tin has weight as 2 by 3 4 kg. So 11 by 4 divided by the total weight here 121 of alloy by 4. So it will become 11 by 4 into 4 by 121. This will be cancelled out and 11 by 121 will also be cancelled out by 11. So 1 by 11 is the ratio of by weight of tin to the alloy. So this is the final answer in the question number 1. Let's solve question number 2 first part. If we find the compounded ratio, that will become 2 by 3 into 4 by 9. So this will become of the first part 8 by 27. The compounded ratio. Second part is 4 by 5 into 5 by 7 into 9 by 11. So this will be cancelled out here also and we will get 9 into 4 as 36 divided by 77, the compounded ratio of second part. Third part if we solve, that is a minus b upon a plus b into a plus b का whole square divided by a square plus b square into a की power 4 minus b की power 4 divided by a square minus b square का whole square. That will become as a minus, this will be cancel out, 1 power a minus b upon a square plus b square into a plus b this side, and it will become upon a square minus b square का whole square into a square, we can write it on a square की power 2 minus b square की power 2. So we can write it a minus b upon a square plus b square into a plus b divided by a square minus b square का whole square into a square minus b square into a square plus b square. So this will, one value will be cancel out, a plus b, so a square plus b square, this will be also cancel out here. We will get a minus b upon into a plus b अपॉन ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर की पावर बस बच रही है, तो यहाँ पे हम ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला वी विल यूज ए माइनस बी एंड ए प्लस बी. Again this will be cancel out here and we will get 1:1 as the compounded ratio of question number 3. Question number 2 third part, and this is the final solution and answers of question number 2. Solve question number 3 first part. Here we have to find the duplicate ratio. So for solving the first part 2 by 3, we will take the square of that only, we will multiply here for making it duplicate ratio. So it will become 4 by 9. If we find for the second part, that is under root 5 by 7, under root 5 by 7 into under root 5 by 7 whole square of that only 5 by 49 here. Third part is 5a by 6b into 5a by 6b. It will become 25a square divided by 36b square. So these are the duplicate ratio of question number 3, first, second and third part. Solve question number 4 first part. If we solve and find the triplicate ratio here in the first part, 3 by 4 into 3 by 4, we will take the cube here for making it triplicate. That will become 9 into 3 is 27, 4 into 16 into 4 will become 64. So 27 by 64 is the triplicate ratio of first part. Then second part if we solve, that is 1 by 2 ratio 1 by 3. So that will become 1 by 3. If we solve it, firstly that will become 3 by 2 here. into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, the triplicate ratio again here 27 by 8. Now the third part if we write for, that is 1 ka cube by 2 ka cube. So it will become 1 ka cube upon 2 ka cube, 1 ka cube and 2 ka cube, again we will make it triplicate only. So 3 times we have to multiply, so 1 ka cube by 2 ka cube. We will get as 1, and here this will become 8 into 8 into 8 this side. So it will become 64 into 8, and we will get 1 by 32 this side. So 8 into 6 will be 48, and 48 plus 3. So this will become 51. So 512 is the triplicate ratio of question number 4, third part. And this is the final solution of question number 4. Solve question number 5, first part. Here in this ratios, we have to find the subduplicate. And subduplicate means the under root of the ratio given to us. So if we write for 9 by 16, under root of 9 divided by under root of 16, that will become 3 by 4. So equal to 3 ratio 4. If we find for the second part, that is 1 by 4 ratio 1 by 9, that will become 9 by 4. Hence 9 by 4 का अगर हम अंडर रूट कर ले तो यहाँ पे हमें 3 by 2 मिलेगी वैल्यू. So 3 ratio 2 is the subduplicate ratio of the second part. If we solve for third part, again 9a square divided by 49b square का अगर हम अंडर रूट पूरे का कर ले तो हमें 3a by 7b वैल्यू मिलेगी, which is equal to 3a ratio 7b. Hence, this is the answer of question number 5, all the 3 parts, where we have to find the subduplicate ratio. Solve question number 6, first part. Here we have to find the subtriplicate, hence cube root of the first value. So it will become cube root of 1 will be 1, cube root of 216 will be 6. So 1 ratio 6 is the subtriplicate ratio of first part. Second part is, if we write simply, that will become, on simplifying it, 125 by 8. Again taking the cube root of this value, 125 ka cube root divided by 8 ka cube root, that will become 5 by 2 here. Third part is 27a ka cube root if we take, that will become, and 64b cube root, that will become 3a divided by 4b, so that will become as 4b. So this is the value of the subtriplicate ratio, and this is the final answer of question number 6, first, second, and third part. Let us solve question number 7, first, second, and third part. If we find the reciprocal ratio here, so we know reciprocal ratio. If A ratio B is the value, then B ratio A will be the reciprocal ratio. So if in the first part 4 ratio 7, if we write for reciprocal, that will become 7 ratio 4 is the reciprocal ratio. Second part is 9 ratio 16, on simplifying it will become 16 ratio 9 as the reciprocal ratio. Third is 1 by 9 ratio 2, that is if we write, that will become 1 by 9 into 1 by 2 as 1 by 18. So if we write for the reciprocal ratio, 1 ratio 18 will become 18 ratio 1 here. Hence, these are the values of reciprocal ratio in question number 7, first, second, and third part. Solve question number 8. Here we have to arrange the following ratios in ascending order of magnitude. So we know if we take the LCM ratio here, 3, 21, 14, 7, the ratio, the LCM will become as 42. Making it equivalent LCM, that will become 2 by 3 multiplied by, here also multiplied by 14, and here also multiplied by 14. So it will become 8 and 28 by 42 here. And if we write for the second, that is 17 upon 21, that is multiplied by 2, hence into 2 into 2 is equal to 14, and this will become 2 into 1, 34 by 42. Again for 11 ratio 14 into multiplied by 3 into 3, that will become 33 by 42. Now the third part here, 5 by 7, it will be multiplied by 6, here also 6, so 30 by 42. If we write in ascending order form, by comparing them, it will become from smaller to greater in ascending order. Then we will simplify it. So ascending order will be 28 by 42, then 30 by 42, afterwards 33 by 42, and then 34 by 42. If we simplify that part, it will become, this will be cancelled out here by 4, and this will be cancelled out by 6. So 4 by 6. Again simplifying this part, this will be cancelled out by 5, and this will be cancelled out by 7. Hence 5 by 7. Here also if we simplify, that will be cancelled out by 11, and this will be cancelled out by 1 into 4. So 11 by 14. Here also this will become 34 by 42 is 11 by 14 here. 34 by first, that's 17 by 21. So this is the simplified ascending order here, and this is only the ascending order of the given ratio of magnitude. Hence question number 8's final solution is this. Simplifying it, this will be cancelled out by 2 and 3 because it is the form of 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, 5 by 7, then 11 by 14 and 17 by 21 is the final order. Let us solve question number 9 first part. If AB is this, BC is this, and CD is this, we have to find A ratio D. So it will become A by B into B by C into C by D. This will be cancelled out. We will get A ratio D only or multiplying. So here simply we will multiply 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 6 by 7. This will be cancelled out by 2, and we will get 8 into 2 as 16. So 16 by 7 into 5, 35. So this is the ratio of A ratio D on multiplying. Hence, final answer of this question. Question number 9, first part. So question number 9, second part. Here we have to find X ratio, Y ratio, Z. So firstly, we will make the Y component as same by taking LCM. So 3 into 4 we have to make same. So taking LCM of 4 and 3, 4 and 3 as LCM as 12. So we will just multiply, make x by y in the form of 12 only. So 2 by 3 into 4 and into 4 this side also. So 8 by 12 here. If we write for y by z, that is 4 into 3 and 7 into 3. So that will become 12 by 21. So if we write x ratio, y ratio, z, we can write it as 8 ratio, 12 ratio and 21. Simplify, we can also simplify this part, but we are not going to simplify because this is only the main answer. Hence this is the final answer of question number 9, second part. Solve question number 10, first part. If A ratio B is this and B ratio C is this, then we have to find A ratio B ratio. Firstly, we will make the component of B same by taking LCM. So if we write here A ratio B, that will become as 1 by 4 ratio 1 by 5 as 5 ratio 4. Making the component same, taking LCM here also of B ratio C, that will become as 6 ratio 7. So taking ratio of 6 ratio 4, that will be 6 into and 4 LCM if we take. So here 12 is the LCM. So we can just make it equivalent to 12. 5 by 4 into 3 here also. So this will become 15 by 12. And here if we take, that is 6 into 2 divided by 7 into 2, that will become 12 by 14. Taking the ratio now, A ratio, B ratio, C, that will become 15 ratio, 12 ratio, 14 here. So this is the final answer of question number 10, first part. Let us solve question number 10, second part. Here if we write the value of A, that will become 4 by 3. So it is 4, A by B, sorry, 4 ratio 3. If we write for B ratio C, that will become 6 ratio 4. So B by C, 6 ratio 4 will become 3 ratio 2 here. So if that is the value 3 ratio 2, so we can simply write this is A ratio B and this is B ratio C. So A ratio B ratio C, if we simply write, that is because B has same ratio, hence 4 ratio 3 ratio 2 is the final answer of question number 10, second part. Solve question number 11, first part. If we solve this part here, so this one solving, we will just cross multiply 3x plus 5y into 3 equal to 7 into 3x minus 5y. That will become 9x plus 15y equal to 21x minus 35y. So 21x minus 9x this side, and this will be 15y plus 35y. So we can write 21 minus 9 if we do, that will become 12x, and here 15 plus 35, it will become 50y. 50 only that will become, so 50y. If we write now the x ratio y, that is 50 by 12. Hence, x ratio y is 50 ratio 12 is the final answer of question number 11, first part. Simplify it also. So on simplifying, this will be cancelled out by 6 and this will be cancelled out by 25. So 25 by 6 is the simplest form of question number 11, first part. Solve question number 11, second part. If A ratio B is this, then we have to find this ratio here. So if we write the values here, A ratio B is 3 ratio 11. Finding 15a minus 3b by 9a plus 5b. Firstly, we will divide it by b. So dividing it, we will get 15a by b, the denominator and numerator both side, minus 3 divided by, here also 9a by b plus 5. So we will get 15a by b, 15 into 3 by 11 minus 3 divided by 9 into 3 by 11 plus 5. So we will get 15 into 3 will be 45 by 11 minus 11 into 3, that is 33, into 11 divided by 9 into 3, 27 plus 55. So it will become 45. This will be cancel out and this will be 2, and 4 minus 3 will become 1 divided by 7 plus 5 will be 12, and this will be carry. So 6, 7, 8, 82. This will be cancel out and we will get 6 by 41 here. So this is the question number 11, second part, final solution.
Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.